Hey, sugar, come on in. Yeah, okay, yeah, come on in and have a seat. Huh, what you say, babe? Oh, no, you in the nut house, that's all. Yeah, come on. What? Well, I don't know how long you gotta be. I guess until your next evaluation, baby. I don't know. Just go ahead and pull up your chair and join the group. Hey, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, all my Nella Hollis. Hey, how you doing, girl? How mama and them doing? How them toes doing? You keeping them nails clean and tight? Good. That's good. That's good to know. All right, we're gonna get on with this video, but first you gotta look up on your chair, girl. Get your straight jacket and your nail brushes. Y'all already know how we do it. Now let's go ahead and get started with this little video. But before we get started, welcome to all the new folks that just never ever really watched me before. Welcome to the Nut House. Go ahead and pull up your chair and join this circle over here. Somebody next to you will explain everything that you have in your care package up under your chair. Now let's go ahead and get on with this video, y'all. All right, I'll be going in using a white poly gel. The brand I'll be using is your Yogi. I'm pretty sure you can use whatever brand you have on hand. I'm also going to go in using a clear UV gel. Now, this is not a builder gel. This is a regular UV gel. And the reason I use a regular UV gel is because it's a little bit more runnier. And builder gels are a little thicker. Okay? And that's another reason why I don't use clear poly gel as well, because I find it to be too thick. All right, I'm also going to go in using some warm water. And this is the brand of water that I use right here. This is a vapor distilled water, okay? And I just prefer to use bottled water. I mean, I'm sure you can probably use tap water. I'm not sure, but I just use bottled water, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in. I'm going to add a generous amount of this clear to my plate here, all right? All right. I'm going to go in with a very small amount of white, and the reason for that is because I want it to have like a foamy look to it. I don't want it to be too white, so I add a little bit at a time. You can always add, but you can't take away, okay? So I'm going to mix this up together, okay? And it looks like I may need a little bit more white, so I'm going to go in and add just a tad bit more white to this, all right? That should do it. Okay. Then I'm going to go in. I'm going to use this little dropper thing here. I'm going to add some water. Really don't matter how much water you use. You can just add. The water. The water is what gives it the bubbles, okay? I'm going to mix this like crazy. And I'm going to show you in about 2 seconds what I'm talking about here, okay? Okay? Then you spread it out, girl, and watch this. Look at them bubbles. See them bubbles?
You see the bubbles, Mama? Yeah, you see the bubbles. Look at the bubbles, Mama. You see the bubbles?
And the more you mix, the more bubbles you're going to have. All right? And don't worry, you're not going to mess up. There's no way you can mess this up, okay? You spread it out again. You're gonna get more bubbles. See that? The longer you let it sit, the more bubbles you're gonna have as well. Alright, so now let's test this out on a nail so I can show you, because there is another step to this. Alright, so now again, I say don't worry about the water, because the more water the better to me. But anyway, you don't worry about trying to pick up no bubbles too, because that's like kind of really impossible to do. So you can mix it up, and once you pick up the gel, you're going to have bubbles in your gel. You just take your nail and apply the gel to the nail like that. Okay, and again, I say the more mixing you do, the more bubbles you're going to have. So you can also mix the gel onto the nail like that. Okay, now if you don't want all these small bubbles, you can take some water and you can dab it to give yourself larger bubbles. Okay, like that. Let's do this next nail same way. Now you can use a brush to apply the gel, don't matter, or you can also use a tool. But again, I say the more you mix it on here, the better. See? See that? Now, you can have it as white as you want, or you can have this is too white for you. You can add more clear to lighten it up. But you can continue to go in and play with it as much as you like. There's no wrong in this at all, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go cure this in my UV lamp for 60 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay? Okay, so now since I cured them for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, you must remember that they do contain water. So what I do is I go in with a paper towel, lint-free towel, white, whatever you have on hand, and you just dab the excess water off of the nail. We can't have water inside our nails. It has to be dry, okay? So right after you dab all the water out of the nails, you're probably looking at it like, hey, I popped all my bubbles. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this UV top coat, and I'm going to fill in my bubbles, okay? Now you can use your UV gel, but hey, I think I used enough of my UV gel for the day, so I'm going to go in with this here little top coat that I have, okay? Now this top coat I purchased some years ago, I believe off of AliExpress, but I can find the website. But any UV gel will do, okay? Any UV gel top coat will do. And this is what you do to get your bubbles back. You just fill it in. See? With that gel, like that there. Alright? Now let me do this next one and we'll be good to go after I cure. Okay. Alright y'all, here's the final look of my foaming bubble nails. I hope you guys like them. If you do, please give me a big old thumbs up. If not, I understand. But anyway, I did a nail design using these here bubble foam nails. So if you'd like to go check that video out here, bam, there you go right there. Click on that link, go on over there and check it out. I just want to take the time to tell y'all, thank y'all. I had fun showing y'all this here design. If you like it, again, I say please give me a thumbs up. That'll help my channel out a lot. And yeah, so, and if you would like to see any more fun videos, go and hit that notification bell, girl. You can ring my bell so you can come on back by and see another video. But I'll be back soon, y'all, with something else to share with y'all in a minute. I'm out.